Infections, they threaten us all. We know how quickly an infection can make us sick and how important it is to try to prevent the spread of infections. In order for an infection to occur, there's a specific chain of events that must be present. Infectious agents or things that make us sick include bacteria, viruses, protozoans, fungi, parasitic worms, and other organisms. The infectious agent has to have a hospitable environment to grow and thrive, such as on or in humans, animals, equipment, water, and soil. And to survive long term, things that make us sick need to be able to move from one infected person to another. Portal of exit is the term for infectious agents moving out into the environment. Saliva, excretions, secretions, skin, blood, and open sores are all portals of exit. Once the infectious agent has entered the environment outside the host, it needs a mode of transmission to be spread to another organism. These include direct contact between persons, indirect contact, ingestion, airborne transmission, and vector-borne by animal or insect. The infection then enters another organism through a portal of entry. These include the respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, urinary tract, genitals, mucous membranes, and breaks in the skin. Some people are more susceptible to infections than others. They include the unvaccinated, surgical patients, the elderly, cancer patients, burn patients, and diabetics. And the cycle begins again. Infectious agent, hospitable environment, portal of exit, mode of transmission, portal of entry, and susceptible host. We can avoid infections by breaking any link in the chain. Infectious agents can be minimized through prompt treatment of infected people, decontamination, and rapid identification of organisms. We can eliminate the hospitable environment with disinfection, sterilization, environmental sanitation, treatment, isolation, and good health and hygiene. We can block the portal of exit if we're infected by washing hands, covering coughs and sneezes, and properly disposing of trash and waste that includes secretions and excretions from infected people. We can also wear proper attire to protect us and others, such as surgical masks or scrubs. We can block the mode of transmission with condom use, hand washing, proper food handling, disinfection, sterilization, airflow control, and elimination of pests that serve as carriers. We can block the portal of entry by aseptic techniques, proper wound care, hand washing, condom use, and catheter care. Finally, we can avoid being susceptible hosts by getting vaccinations, improving our health status, treating underlying diseases, getting proper rest and exercise, and good nutrition. The chain of infection is strong, but we can take steps to cut down on the number of infections we experience in our lives.